Go Michael power.
Lifted versus under.
Yeah. Lifted, heavily...
He's just said this too.
Lifted, heavily modified.
Versus not modded.
But well, little bit, underbody protection. He's got to start a GoPro.
Have you done the hard lines through here?
All bar the first.
Or do you just want to do the easy lines on the rounds?
Do the easy ones just for the easiness.
And ignore the weave through the trees.
We've been doing that.
Yeah, or do you want to do that?
Yeah, we'll do that. No pressure.
Who's going to be in front for that though?
Yep. Yep.
Well, I don't know, first lap.
I was going to change up on that. No, because we did the easy ones for a couple.
Oh, I thought the first lap we just went easy.
No, I'm not sure.
We must be cray.
Oh,
I don't know how many people do this 4 times in a row. Well,
I know.
like almost in a row.
Oh no!
Has he stalled?
No, he's done a practice stop.
Oh, a practice stop. I do apologise.
Practice stop. He's just done.
He just practiced stopping at the top.
Yeah, exactly.
So he hasn't got like all this like welly that we have.
What is it, welly or stupidity?
I'm not sure.
What just hit me around the back of the... Oh, it's probably my own hair.
Probably your own hair. Literally your ponytail.
Hit me around the back of the head. Are you okay there?
Yeah.
You're hanging in there like a champ.
Yeah.
Wait, donk.
Donk. I bet he's not donking as much as we're donking. Easy bits.
We've always done easy on this one. Wow.
Yeah, the easy on this one.
Oh wow, the easy's really easy.
Yeah. This is what I was worried about. Someone coming round
and
us coming up, and then you meet in the middle.
Oh, little hillster. This seems completely different actually, doesn't it? How bizarre.
You come at this at a better angle.
You do, don't you? It's much easier from this angle.
Isn't it? Wiggle and weave.
My tummy's rumbling, Scott.
Little bit or a lot of bit?
A medium bit.
Oh.
I got the belly rumbles.
Oh, must be getting towards dinner time.
It must be dinner time.
Oh, it is 5 o'clock, so it's bang on dinner time.
Yeah, it's dinner time.
Your belly's like dinner time.
Belly like dinner time. I want some Persia pugs.
Oh yeah, good.
They're in the boot.
They're in the boot. Oh no.
We're only supposed to blow the bloody boot off for the Persia pug.
No Persia pigs.
No Persia pigs.
You see, that's why we're lacking.
I am. I'm deficient in Persia pug.
Yeah, vitamin Percy pig.
Vitamin P. Oh no.
Oh,
GoPro
no.
down.
Oh no, you didn't run over it, did you?
GoPro down. No, I've just seen it. You go. Oh no. It's like a wardrobe malfunction.
Do you know what that was?
What's that?
He wanted to change the camera angle.
Yeah, exactly.
That was a practice change of the camera
very
angle.
Much so. Very much so. I'm just going to move off of the corner a little bit, just in case.
He was thinking, do you know what? I'm thinking of switching it up a bit.
Yeah, definitely. Why have we got so much steam coming from our front end right now?
We've probably busted the radiator.
Probably.
Along with everything else.
Seaweed.
Yeah.
It's not even seaweed, but it looks like seaweed.
Yeah, I'm calling it seaweed.
Me too. I wonder if but it caught on the tree, didn't it?
Oh, that'd be really awkward if it actually got pulled off. That'll make good footage.
Yeah, as it goes tumbling.
As it hits the tree, it goes poof. I give up.
GoPro down. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
Do you think he ever thinks, is that my car?
Yeah.
As we come thundering up. Excuse you.
Right.
Go on.
Angle of the dangle. Like a champ again.
Like a champione.
Come back. Come back. Duff.
Karate chop.
I can't believe that bramble's not gone yet.
I was surprised it not slapped me in the face.
Well, yeah. I bet you anybody, if we did another run, it would.
Yeah. You see, I think this is the difference between
lifted versus not, yeah.
and standard.
I would agree with you, I must admit.
I don't think we can get away with licking it across quite so.
Yeah, I feel like we're a bit more limited.
Limited.
Isn't it that fisherman got a boat?
Maybe.
Oh, where's he gone? Oh, there he is.
Do you see some?
Over the mound.
All the mounds.
Ready.
Ready. Up. And over. Nicely controlled.
I was waiting for it to be gone off the mountain just so I don't come flying over.
Oh, could you imagine?
A bit like what I did with the sheep then. Wait. Wait.
God,
That was a bit quick.
Hashtag send it.
That was a bit quick even for me.
That was quite good, that was.
I didn't mean to hit it quite that fast, I must admit. Ready?
I like the way we're playing this off just nicely for everyone.
Here we are.
We're offering a service.
We are. So anyone that's doing it tomorrow, they're laughing.
I'll say, anyone with a standard Freelander, maybe you should post on Facebook, anyone with a standard Freelander going Sunday,
Yep.
you're laughing.
You'll be absolutely fine.
We're
We've
planed
sorted it
off
all
the
out
whole
for
lot.
you.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Definitely it's easier in a lifted
There is
car,
definitely a
isn't
raspiness now.
it? I haven't noticed it.
Ah.
I don't know what that says about me.
I'm hoping it's because that tailpipe's bent. I'm hoping it's stuck yet another hole in it.
Probably.
Whole new exhaust, please.
Don't know, I might take it off in the water if you want.
Yeah.
To go with the number.
Oh.
What time's Halford's open? Oh no, you need your 3.5 to get a number.
Yeah.
I hope we don't get pulled.
We won't.
It'd be unfortunate, wouldn't it? Well, where's your front number plate? Somewhere around the off-road course.
Yeah, still haven't found it yet. Maybe they'll hand it in to us now.
Oh, he's going down the dip and we're not.
Oh.
Dear. We'll get the footage of him going in.
Yeah, and out.
No. Made it first time, probably never again.
Oh, he's nice. So you can start from the bottom.
Yeah, of course you can. I just feel like I'm risking it a little bit.
Yeah.
Oh, I pretty much conked that post.
I did think you were quite tight on the driver's side. I wasn't going to say anything because the passenger side looked like it had a lot of room.
I think this might be where we're switching places.
Yeah.
Might.
Windows up, please.
Drop the window just for a minute. Seatbelt's locked. Hopefully I'll be able to get in front of that car that's behind.
No, I heard it.
Oh, window.
Yeah, don't forget your window.
You ready?
Don't make my mistake. Ready as I'll ever be, princess.
This looks like it's getting shallower.
Yeah, the water's leaving. Tide's going out.
It's very clayey actually.
Can you imagine if we get stuck?
We won't. Michael will push us through.
Yeah.
Like a champ.
Yeah.
It's getting slippier on the end, I must admit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think we can make a soundtrack out of this car.
A little
noises
bit.
and out
Clunk,
of our
clunk,
noises.
Bang. Ready?
Start this bit. Ready?
Oh, I couldn't do that with that tank guard. It's how rocky it is, isn't it?
Oh no.
Kind of want to do the hard bit for the principal, but I'm not going to.
Yeah.
A little bit of window for 5 minutes. It's pointless opening
I was
it,
going to
'cause we'll
say.
go through the water again in a minute, but
I think he was going to go hard then.
I'm not sure. I couldn't see.
They clip the mirrors off.
It's a feeling as you go over it, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Oh.
Oh.
Why does that sound so bad?
Sounds brutal. You do realize we're going to take this front bumper protector off and literally it's never going back on again.
No,
So
it's
just
going to be
spring.
too bent, isn't it?
Windows, please.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
Ah. This is where you don't want to lose a GoPro.
No.
Could you imagine? Have you seen numplate yet?
No, not yet.
Just on a normal country scenic drive.
Yeah. Leisurely drive.
Just going through a river.
Yeah.
I love the way it feels like the whole car skids sideways.
It does.
Like that's
So
becoming,
it feels like it does.
that's becoming more of a rudder than a steering wheel through that.
I know. Oh, this is getting dippier. I do
Yeah,
like
do you know
that
why? It's
bit.
because you drifted through.
Yeah, I took the crap with me, didn't I? Oh, I've just realised the GoPro's going to go here, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
Oh dear, is that us or is that Michael?
I think that might be Michael. No pressure.
I don't know. If I clonk anything right now, it's on camera.
Yeah, multiple angles as well.
Oh.
I think that was a tree root.
I think so. Oh, he's just...
He's doing a practice start.
He's done a practice start.
Nice.
Oh, good.
Could you imagine if you turned and then the window went...
Oh, don't. Practice start.
Practice start.
Use my phone and take a little video in the mirror as we're going round if you can. Obviously, mindful of me seeing, but or even out of the window.
Would do, but I can't get into your phone.
It knows that Mother Mod's car. You seem to be getting more of yourself.
Yeah, but I don't know how I'm meant to.
No, you might not be able to. It's all in the angle of the corner. You need a corner that's right. I should be pro at this now, shouldn't I? Because how many times we've done it, but I feel like I'm not. Oh, I think Warren might have just got that a bit. Look, he's had to take a shunt.
Oh.
Oh.
Shunter.
Oh. Not really surprising, is it?
Got a tailgater.
Fucking tailgate. Oh, bloody tailgaters.
Yeah. Mind your language.
Really carried a bit of speed through there. Well, hey.
Do you know how weird it is looking backwards?
I can imagine quite, especially when you don't know
that.
if I'm going to hit anything. There you go, you can get the mirror now, look. You're aiming a bit too much towards the car.
Little bit, but
No, it's all right.
I'm not going to be perfect all the time. I'm not Steven Spielberg.
Steven Spielberg?
Not yet.
Who is Steven Spielberg?
I think a famous movie director.
Ah, I know the name, but I don't know who that is. Well, I probably do, but... Don't suddenly move your feet this time, because you don't...
Oh yeah, my squeaking.
Yeah.
You don't want the squeak on.
Way. Oh no, the sun, don't come out now.
Yeah.
Sun will come out. Oh dear, we've got a traffic jam.
Are you holding everyone
I'm
up?
holding everyone up, I think.
Jesus, Sunday drivers.
I think I'd be holding people up, you know.
They're like, come on, get on with it.
I'll be interested to watch what this looks like from behind.
Yeah?
Yeah, just because it's obviously you see it from your own perspective, don't you? Get to the easy bits.
Do you know that raspiness?
Yeah, a little bit. When you sort of under throttle, it'll be interesting when we get up to speed.
Yeah, exactly, and it sounds horrendous.
I think it'll be really raspy then. And round we go.
Round we go.
Hey,
Can I just say, I can confirm the GoPro is holding in.
I'm impressed. That takes extra precision.
His GoPro is holding in there.
It is holding in there.
Proud of the Pro Go.
GoPros are hardy little creatures, aren't they?
Oh, they really are. Especially when they might drop off.
They don't drop off, they just have a little nap sometimes.
Yeah.
Going round.
Awkward.
Sorry, Disco. Couple Freelanders coming through. You can tell the course is closing soon because I feel like everybody's sort of. This is probably people's last run, isn't it?
Everyone's getting the last one.
Maybe last run, maybe last couple.
Window.
You know. Yeah, no, it's not too bad on this one.
I know. Well, I don't know with you because sometimes you floor it and just create the biggest.
Not
splash
here
ever.
because this is quite. It's the next one.
Yeah.
D.
D.
It's the after bit of this one that's not very nice.
Yeah.
Ready? Brace yourself.
Brace.
And buff.
Thud.
Buff.
Thud.
I think it's probably that's done the exhaust,
Yeah.
isn't it?
But it must be a way to like that you hit it. I still think it's this bit coming up.
I just think it's how rocky that is. Don't take your hands off the wheel, Alana.
This
Hey,
bit.
hey. Yeah, probably.
Oh. Oh. I feel like you hit that with a bit more pace.
Probably.
That seemed a bit rougher than what I remember earlier.
Got the sludge in the water.
It's good, isn't it?
There you go. I'll hit that one a bit slower for you.
I think it's this whole section that's like my least favourite
Yeah,
bit.
a little bit. I
Because
know
it just feels so abrupt.
Try and get the wheels dirty.
Good luck.
Ready?
Yeah.
This is your least favourite, isn't it?
One of, yeah.
I haven't found the number plate yet.
No. Who's been handed in?
That'd be nice.
Oh, that bit.
Yeah.
To be fair, I think I might have forgotten to look.
I've half kept an eye out, but the thing is, would you see it? Because chances are it's in the water somewhere. Because I think it will have come loose on something like that and then it will
Yeah.
have gone in the water. Personally. Oh look, there's a canal boat.
Oh, yeah.
You see it? See the people?
Canoeing.
Canoeing?
Canoeing.
Oh, I think it's canoeing.
They're definitely not canoeing. Canoeing.
Ready?
Yeah.
And up, and down.
Ground out. Smile.
I'm never sure are people videoing, are they picturing?
Picturing.
I wonder if the Land Rover people are here both days, because if they are, they're going to have hella full camera things.
I hope they have a website. That I know they do it for a magazine, but it'd be nice if all the ones they don't use, if they put them on a website,
That's true.
and you can buy them. Articulation.
Honestly, it's the angle.
Yeah.
I think it's
I
unreal.
felt better that time.
Yeah, I've taken a bit more bank that time. Not intentionally, it's just how I went into it. One thing that spoils the scenery is the pylon thing.
Yes.
Whatever you call it.
The big piles
The big pile. Oh yeah, piles and pile string.
with pile string on.
Pile string. Hey. I'm almost a bit gutted that's that run over, pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is, isn't it? Because we've done the water, big water. I kind of want to go again, but at the same time it's like, don't know,
Yeah.
probably not sensible, is it? It could be a bit like, you know, the track day where I then lost the wheel speed sensor on the last run.
Exactly.
It's like, yeah, it could be that one.
When you take the last trip and you're going to go,
Yeah.